Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can turn on the closed captions on Instagram Reels. So if you want to have subtitles or captions on the reels that you watching on Instagram, this is how you are going to do it. So the caption will look like this. It will be at the bottom of the reels or the top of the captions of the reel. So if you want to have this captions like this, what you need to do is just open a reel video and then click on the three dots icon, and in here you'll find closed caption. So just tap on that, and you need to make sure that it's turned on like this, so you can see auto generated closed caption for all videos when it's available. But if this is off, you may still see translated caption for reels in other languages, so you need to make sure it is on. So that's pretty much all. That's how you can enable closed captions on Instagram. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.